Okay guys, so this is going to be Cumberland sausage and wild garlic omelette. So I'm cooking off the sausage this way first. You can chop up yours and fry it with your wild garlic, but I like the flavour of the fire. So I'm doing it this way. Once I've got the sausage cooked, I'll slice it up, put it in the frying pan with some wild garlics, and hide my egg in. And Bob's your uncle. Sausage and wild garlic omelette. Sweet. It smells so good. Okay guys, so your pan's sufficiently hot, of course. Get your eggs. The heat's immense. So, some of my sausage. Some of my wild garlic. Smells really good. Sweet. And there we have it guys. Cumberland sausage and wild garlic omelette. And I've got an extra bit of Cumberland sausage there.